Hello guys! Today I'm going to help you restore the phone icon on your Android on your home screen. Now just open the app drawer by swiping up from the bottom of your screen and locate the phone app on the pages of the app drawer. And if you cannot, just open the search tab and enter phone. Just simply long click the phone app and tap Add to Home. Now when you have added the phone app icon on your home screen, just drag it to the desired position. So again, click and hold it, then drag it to the desired position. I will locate it here, but you can also move it to another page. For that, click and hold it again and drag to the edge of the screen. Now you know how to restore the phone icon on your Android. And if you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.